We'll guide you through how to check the battery health on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So the battery health or battery status is essentially how the current state of the battery is. When you first got your iPad, the battery health would have been 100%. But over time, as you go and use it, batteries go and degrade and they don't hold the same amount of charge as they did when they were brand new. So what we can do is go and find out what the status and the charge of it can still go and hold is within the iPad settings. So we'll guide you through this step by step. So what you want to do is on the iPad is go and open up the settings on the home screen. You can always drag down and go and search them if you're struggling to find them. In here, you then need to go over to the left and you need to go and scroll down, not far, as you're only looking for battery, and you can then tap there. So if you go down, you'll go and see battery health at the bottom here. Mine says normal, but to go and get the percentage and the actual battery health figure, you can tap on it. And then you can find maximum capacity. Mine's 100%, and this is the measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. That's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like. I look forward to help you again in the future with more iPad guides. Have a great day.